how to change payment method on Roblox in 2024. Now, the first thing that we want to do is just load up the Roblox website, then click on the gear icon in the top right corner, and here we'll select the first option, which is settings. Now, once we have these settings open, then from the left hand side, we want to focus here on payment methods. So just click on payment methods. And here you will see all of your current payment methods. You can just click on the delete icon here to delete your previous payment methods if we want to change it in Roblox. So if we want to change our payment method in Roblox here, I'll just click on add, and it's going to show me this screen, add a payment method. So it's going to ask for our card number, the expiration date, the CVC, as well as the billing address. Here it can be changed because I've already confirmed my email. And it will also ask us for our first and last name, as well as our country and our address. Now, if we fill out all of this information, we'll be allowed to click on save, and that's going to update your payment method or change your payment method in Roblox in 2024. I hope this was informative. Don't forget to leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.